Binanog is an indigenous dance from the Philippines that features the movement of an eagle to the symbolic beating of bamboo and gong that synchronizes the pulsating movements of the feet and the hands of the lead and follow dancers. The Panay Bukidnon are one of the only two indigenous communities in the Visayas, the other being the lraynun-Bukidnon. Also known as the Tumandok or Suludnon, the Panay Bukidnon communities are scattered among the hinterlands of Panay, particularly in the interiors of Tapas Capiz. Because of this isolation, several of the community's pre-Hisnapic practices persist to this day. The community of around 18,000 speaks its own language called Ligbok or Ikbog, a language related to Panay's Kinaray-a language. And now, we are presenting the Binanog Dance from Bachelor of Elementary Education, Section 3C of Don Carlos Polytechnic College.
Ayan, ihapak si Sweetie. I-focus ron ta.
One, two, three, four. Darna!
Kala nagatawa nun siya.
One, two, anak. Nice, nice, nice. Oh. Bang! Bang!
Okay, cut.
Ma-picture tanan, pero kung gusto daw mga
Kung makahulat mo.
Makahulat. Nice. Nice.
Oh.
Bakit niya pamukhaan kita?
Uy, seryoso diha, ikatawa.
I can live, I can...
Kapag yan. Tama na.
Okay na.
Ito, sir.